How to use Snapchat tutorial for beginners. So if you want to use Snapchat, then just follow the steps. First, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the connection, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, any device that you are using, and then go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Snapchat and make sure to install the Snapchat application on your device. Here you will have this kind of interface. Go with install, or if you're using iPhone, then you can have a get option. You just need to simply go and install or download the application. Once you've downloaded, now simply tap on open, and you need to create your account. If you've not created, then you can go with sign up, and you need to enter your name and your email address, your mobile number, or your personal details like the name, username and everything, birthday, and after entering all of that, you will create your account. Once you've created, go with the login option, and you need to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you will get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with the bottom. So on the bottom, the first option is for the location. If you want to turn on your location, you can go and turn on your location, and you'll be able to view other people's location, or the other people will be able to know your location. Or the second option is chat. You can go with chat, and here if you've added someone, then you will have all of the persons right here. You can simply go with any person that you're comfortable with, and then you can go and message that person or simply send a snap to that person. But if you don't have any friends, then you can go with the upper right, which has that add friends option, and from here you'll be able to add your friends. So you just need to simply go with add, which is here on the quick add. You can simply tap on the add option, which is on the right side, and once you tap on add, then your friend request will be sent to that person, and if the other person accepts your friend request, then you'll be able to snap or chat with that person. So once you've done with add friends, like here you will have your friends, right? So once you're done with adding your friends, you can simply go with your friend, and to send a snap you need to go with the bottom middle option, which is the camera icon. Once you're here on the camera, now you just need to simply go with filter, any filter that you're comfortable with or any lens that you're comfortable with, and tap on the lens, and you've taken a snap. Now you can go with send to, which is on the bottom right, and you can send that snap to other persons or your friends, and this way you'll be able to send the snaps. And in order to that you will receive some snaps, you can simply tap on the person, and here you can see that you've received some snaps. So let's move on to the fourth, which is the stories option. So here if you followed someone, then you will have all of the stories of that followed persons, and you can also go with discover, and you'll be able to just discover something on Snapchat. And the fifth option is Snapchat shorts or Snapchat reels. You can simply swipe up to the next story, and this way you'll be able to entertain yourself. And on the upper left you will have the profile icon. Tap on the profile, and if you want to edit your profile or adjust something on your profile, you can simply go with your profile, and then you can adjust it or simply edit it. You can go with the upper right, where you will have the settings option, and from the settings you'll be able to change your name, username, birth date, mobile number, or the email address, or you can change your password, or you will have the Bitmoji option. You can simply add the Bitmoji, create your avatar, or you can change the language of Snapchat, and you can go with the app appearance, where you'll be able to have the light mode or dark mode, and you can simply go with the privacy control, where you'll be able to go with the comments settings and see my location, memories, family center. You'll have support option if you need any support from Snapchat team, and you can also go and log out or delete your account from here. So if you go back, now you can go with the upper right, which has that share option, and from here you'll be able to share your profile link to others so that they can add you back on Snapchat. And on the upper left, the second option is for search. From here you can search for the persons that you would like. So you can simply search for the person, and you'll be able to add that person. And here on the left side, bottom left side, you will have albums option. If you go with the albums, here you will have the memories section. So if you've saved something, for example I'll be taking a snap, and here on the bottom left you will have save option, right? If you tap on it, then your snap will be saved. You will get two options, save to memories or save to memories and camera roll. If you tap on save to memories, then the snap will be saved to your Snapchat only. But if you go with save to memories and camera roll, then the snap will be saved on your Snapchat and also to the camera roll. Okay, so for now I'll be choosing save to memories. And if you go with the second option, which is stories, then this snap that you've taken will be added to your stories, and every friend of yours will be able to see your story. You can go with the right side, upper right side, where you will have a bunch of options. You can go with the first, which is the text option, where you'll be able to add some text that you want to. For example, I'll be just writing demo. And you can go with the pencil shaped icon, where you'll be able to edit something or draw something. And you can go with the third one, which is filters or stickers option. Under stickers, you'll be able to add stickers. And if you go with the fourth one, then you'll be able to make a sticker of your own. And you can go with the fifth one, which is you can add music to your snap. And you can go with the retouch option, and you will have the magic eraser, and you will have the attachment option, from where you'll be able to add some links to your snap. And you can go with crop, so that you'll be able to crop your snap, extend, or just simply expand your snap. And on the last option, you will have time, so you can set the timer of 1 second or 0.10 seconds or infinite. So I'll be choosing 2 seconds, which means if the other person or if the friend opens the snap, then they'll be able to see the snap for only 2 seconds. And now go with send to, and then you can send that to your friends. And you might have heard about the streak on Snapchat, right? So in order to maintain streaks on Snapchat, you just need to simply send the snap, as I've already shown you. And in order to that, you need to receive some snaps. So if you've sent and received snaps regularly, then you'll be able to increase your streaks, or then you'll be able to maintain your streaks. So within 24 hours, you will be able to send and receive at least one snap to maintain your streaks. So that's how you can use your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.